What's up, everybody? XX here, and today I got a new Nerf gun. Yes, it actually works. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of other bullets right here that I haven't loaded yet because we were just practicing shooting. And yes, it does work. So this is a Nerf gun. So I haven't been making videos lately. But Preston is gonna help me. And yeah, so the first thing is that there's no trigger. How you shoot is that you have to pull this back and let go. So Preston, you record. Hold it with 2 hands.
I know.
Press the back button. I'm warning you.
Sure.
Okay, so how you shoot is that you pull this back and then you just let it go back. So, in other words, I'll just do this. Press it. Gun. Gun. And you can see that there's a 4 bullets, and some of them aren't coming out because I haven't reloaded yet. Ah! Okay. And yeah, it looks like I have to get the bullets, which is only 4. And Preston, how about I'm gonna let Preston shoot the gun. Okay, shoot it. Oh. Okay, hold on. More bullets. Yeah. But anyway, guys, sorry, but Preston left for some reason. I have no idea why, but yeah, so what I was trying to show you is that when Preston shoots or anybody shoots, after you, what was that? After you pull this down, or, oh, wait, hold on. Okay. So after you pull this down, and I have to make sure there's no bullets. Okay, so there's like flies on me, and what the heck? And then once you pull this down, okay, but when you put it back up, which I'm having trouble to do, I'm gonna do it with my foot. Whoa. Anyway, I'm just going to fix that. Okay, but anyway, when we push it back, whoa. Okay, never mind that, but yeah. But when we just push it back, so like that, you guys just missed it. Whoa. Anyway, yeah, so this, once you shoot and you pull it back, it like turns like this or something. I don't know, but it turns and it redoes all the bullets, so I do not really know how much bullets there are, but yeah, so this is my Nerf gun. It's about 2 feet wide, no, 2 feet length. But yes, so I don't know, maybe I could make a Nerf gun battle. That will take a long time. If we get to 30 subscribers, I don't know when that's going to take, but yeah. And yeah, so we also have to get my brother a Nerf gun too. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you wish to see more daily videos. And yeah, so I haven't been making any recent videos, but yeah, I will. So anyway, Perito.